Today, Kraken pays $30 million to settle with the SEC over crypto staking. Commissioner Hester Peirce breaks with the SEC's crackdown on those staking protocols. Crypto prices are plummeting in reaction to the latest crackdown from the SEC, and we'll talk about that in just a second. But as of noon Eastern, Bitcoin dropped by 1.5% below $22,000. Ether tumbled by 3.5%, and Cardano slumped.
Welcome to my channel. My name is RJ Barkley, and I have a very important video to share with you guys. People, if you're interested in crypto, these are the stuff you have to know. And I believe, when I came across this video, I had to share it with you guys because guess what? This information is very important for you to know. And it's about taking with crypto and understanding the basic and understanding what is crypto and what does it mean to stake your cryptocurrencies. People, stay tuned to my channel and I will keep you updated on what's going on in the crypto world. If you like that information, please subscribe to the channel and smash that like button for me. You don't know, RJ Barkley love when they bounce the button for me. Let's move on to this video. So today Kraken was charged for unregistered offer and sales of security through its staking as a service program, whether it's through staking as a service, lending, or other means. Crypto intermediaries must provide the proper disclosure and safeguards. I'm gonna play this video for him.
What does stake have to do with our securities laws? That's S-T-A-K-E, not S-T-E-A-K. In the crypto markets, there are various ways to validate data stored on crypto ledgers called blockchains. And one of these ways is called staking. Investors lock up their tokens in escrow and help validate the next block of data. Some stakers are then rewarded with new tokens. Staking, though, can be complicated and time-consuming. It can take big upfront commitments of tokens. There's also the risk that you won't get new tokens even if you stake. Thus, crypto entrepreneurs started offering what's called staking as a service. No, not like the steakhouse. Basically, if you transfer your tokens to a staking as a service provider, they take control, possibly pooling your tokens with thousands or millions of others while promoting returns. But here's the rub. When a company or platform offers you these kinds of returns, whether they call their services lending, earn, rewards, APY, or staking, that relationship should come with the protections of the federal securities laws. That means you, the investor, should receive important disclosures. For example, what do they actually do with your tokens? Are they really staking them? Are they lending, borrowing, or trading with them? Are they commingling them with their other businesses? Where do the rewards come from? Are you getting your fair share? Are the underlying crypto protocols genuinely creating value on your investment? Or are they just new tokens that dilute the value of ones you already have? Remember, if you have a stake, that's S-T-E-A-K, if you have a stake meant for two and cut it into three pieces, it's still the same amount of stake. Unfortunately, because these staking as a service providers generally are not providing proper disclosures, there's currently no reliable way as an investor to know the answers to these important investment questions. Plus, when you sign on the dotted line or accept the terms of service, you are generally agreeing that placing your tokens with these providers may mean transferring your ownership to them. There's an expression in crypto, not your keys, not your crypto. You see, you're basically an investor in their platform. If it goes under, and we've seen plenty of that recently, you end up in line in the bankruptcy court. That's why it's so important that these companies and platforms comply with the securities law. After all, the securities laws, regardless of what you think of stake or staking, they're good for investors.
People in this crypto space love to create projects and don't want to follow the proper guidelines. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, so you guys can fully understand what it means to stake your currency and what are you giving up for staking with most of these companies. I also am guilty of it because I just stake because I want to get the gains. But really in fact, most times in this investment world, what I've learned is that sometimes it's not the fast money you should go for, and that tends to catch a lot of us going for this fast money, and it's not good. I hope you learned your lesson in this video. And also, if you're interested in some brand new crypto project where you can 10x your money, watch these two videos that I have produced on this channel and subscribe. Remember that, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in my next video. Peace out.